Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I made this real quick trying to help somebody, and I did alternating colors, and he doesn't really want that. But this is his file he sent me, and this is 3.6 degrees, and he's having trouble, and I'll just have to show you. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that, and I'm going to mirror the, you know what? That's what I did. I'm going to change my nudge factor like to 1 inch. And I'm going to get that box out of the way for just a second. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and mirror that and turn that one blue. Now I'm not going to do what I did before and make it alternating colors, but he's having trouble when he rotates it for them to match up. So I'm going to Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it. I'm going to back up so I can see the center. I'm going to double click, hit the rotation, put that in the center, and it's in the center. Now we're going to rotate it 7.2 degrees. And this is where his problem is. They don't meet up. So do not change this one, because these right here is this right here. So we don't want to change this one. We want to change these two. So we have to ungroup it. I'm gonna delete that circle, because a lot of times your outer object will do that. I'm going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and then I am going to make these two nodes match up with these two nodes. I don't like the peak, and we don't really want to change this one. Where's the handle for this? Way down there. If we do them about the same, see, it's still got a little peak, but I'm not going to go there in this video. Now see how this one's further? So we don't want to change this one, we want to change this one. So grab both nodes, and see, we're going to have some daylight there, so just go across. Now, delete this one. Group this together, Control G. Control D to duplicate it. Now it's basically a new object, so we have to reset the center rotation to the center of the page. And we're not there. That's why I always double check. Okay, we're there. I'm going to rotate a negative 7.2 degrees. And now they match up. I still don't like that peak. I can get rid of this box now. This box was just the degrees of, so you had some idea. Control D to duplicate it. Put it in the center. So you need to click on the item and then click right in the center to get the center rotation. Still not there. Okay. 7.2 degrees. Control D, 14.4. Control D all the way around. I'm off somewhere. I'm off on that second one. I didn't notice this. A good way to hit this downward arrow, you go down to the duplicate and it'll delete. So why am I off? I'm not off there. Control D, 14.4. I must have not hit the right number. And look at that. Now they all touch. Now, the only thing I don't like about it, and if he gets back to me, the blues and the red, this line needs to be all blue. And then the red needs to be, you know, right now it looks like circles. You know, you could have done this with circles. Well, you've got overlapping, and I actually did that in mine, and I overlapped where it looks like it's all, I didn't like the peak then, but see how the blue is continuous and the red is continuous? And it's the blue is behind, and then when it comes through here, it goes over and then behind again. If that's what he's wanting, I'll make another video. To me, right now, it just looks like a bunch of circles when you do that, but they are a line. So maybe I'll make a second video on how you could fix that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.